Hey guys, so I got the radio, or I should say the HTX-202 separated here, front and back, and from the rear cover has all been took apart, and I got the radio on dummy load. Poof. So low power, this is where I got her taken apart, and now this low power, and this is high power. So it might assume, as you can see, VO1 MDS testing through dummy load. As you can see, full scale. So it's kinda making me think that when she's put together, there's something here touching. And the closest thing to the PA module is this rear case cabinet. I wonder, is it possible that there's some of this metal is touching the PA section of this radio? Well, I guess we can try that theory, I suppose. We'll put her together. What I'll do, I'll put some electrical tape on the inside of this. Totally coat the inside of this with electrical tape and see if that does anything or not. Because they're all taken apart. She works normal. Right. So I had the radio put back together. One 4652. Got her in the watt meter. Low power. Power there. High power. VO1 MDS testing. So VO1 MDS testing. VO1 MDS testing. There we have it. Seems to be working there now. So we know the PA is not bad. Or the output transistors, the finals, drivers, whatever, is not bad in the radio. If they were shot, it just wouldn't work. But as you can clearly see here, VO1 MDS testing working quite well. Yeah. So let's put the belt clip back on her here now. VO1 MDS test. VO1 MDS testing. VO1 MDS testing. VO1 MDS testing. So, I don't know. Seems to be working there now. I can't actually say I've done anything with this one. Well, other than, I guess, I put tape on the back shield here. On the back metal part, plate. Put electrical tape, covered it all up. Maybe this piece of the metal was touching the board underneath. Who knows? And there's also a modification was added to this radio, which is this here capacitor was added in there. Not sure what that was in there for, but anyway, it's not part of the original design. So I removed that. Maybe that was killing it off. Who knows? VO1 MDS testing. 1 2 3 3 2 1. Anyways, I guess we'll call it quits. Can't fix it, ain't broke, eh, boys? Anyways, what's next?